Sometimes the easiest answer is the best answer. And the easiest answer to me is to roast up some vegetables. It's a Thursday night. Cook up a quick batch of high fiber, high protein pasta and add on some Greek yogurt. That's dinner. Let's get started. So it's about 6:45 at night and my kitchen is an absolute mess. I don't feel like cleaning it, but I wanted to just get some vegetables cooking, and I'm just going to put these over a protein pasta, and then I'm also just going to use as a sauce Greek yogurt and Parmesan cheese. And you guys, it's delicious. It's the easiest thing. These vegetables are not young vegetables. They've all been in there a week to 10 days, but that doesn't make them bad. It just makes them ready to go. So I'm going to cook these for about 35-40 minutes at 400 degrees, and then we're going to just boil some pasta, and it comes together fast. You've got your veggies, you've got your flavor, and you are done. Nothing fancy going on here. I am just going to add the pasta to the water. The vegetables are finished cooking. We're going to throw on some Greek yogurt, and we are having dinner. The pasta is about done cooking, and I'm just going to take the veggies out, and this is so quick and easy that you're going to be so surprised it's going straight in one bowl. Okay, pasta in, steaming pasta. Throw in a little pepper while it's hot. Throw on some sea salt, some crunchy sea salt, that flake stuff. Okay, those are going on that with some Greek yogurt, and that's it. Parmesan cheese, yeah. Some red chili flake went on. It all went in, and I'm just gonna stir it, mix it together. You could add a little butter if you'd like. I'm gonna add some olive oil, some red chili flakes. I left those baby eggplants whole. I don't care. This is just a Thursday night, I've had it sort of dinner. Some Parmesan cheese, stir it up. Next comes the Greek yogurt. I have non-fat, so I can add a little bit more olive oil if I need a little flavor. Stir that together. While it's hot, it's just going to turn into a nice sauce. Now you could add some garlic powder. I didn't add garlic to this. I didn't add anything really. Salt and pepper. It's very old school in the bowl. Super fresh. Protein, a little bit of fat, vitamins, minerals. It's almost like a salad in a bowl with hot pasta. So let me break that up. Those eggplants, I'm going to have to eat those eggplants like pepperoncinis. Just going to have to pull off the top stumps, and that's going to be that. Okay, I'm going to plate this. I'll be right back. Okay, that is done. And I know that's like 2 or 3 servings, no doubt. But it is done, and I'm going to have some. And just remember, things don't have to be hard. They just have to get done. That pasta comes together so easy, so satisfying, and you've made some room for other vegetables in your refrigerator. So I want to thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. And please like and subscribe.